Hi everybody, welcome back to Nature Boys segment on Healthy Body, Healthy Mind, and this is day 9. I haven't posted in a while because I was waiting for this kind of a day where you can see clouds in the sky and it's a little bit gray, there's some sunlight. It's because on this day, day 9 of this program, we really start digging deep and looking at what is going on inside our heads and inside our hearts. Now we understand that there are thoughts and there are emotions, and that thoughts can lead to certain emotions. The happier thoughts you have in your head, the happier you'll feel. The sadder the thoughts in your head, the sadder you'll feel. And in that correlation, we need to understand where we stand and where we want to go. There's nothing wrong with being sad, mad, or any of those feelings that we see as negative. As a matter of fact, they're not really negative feelings. They're just plain old feelings. It's what we are. We are human beings. So today, take out your journal and write down the 5 nuts of our cog to make the wheel rolling. I can. I am strong. I am beautiful. I am kind. I love my body. The reason why we write these down is to remind ourselves that there is positivity within ourselves. It's just ecliptical. What does that mean? It means that every now and then a shadow passes over it. A great big emotion goes right on top of it and casts a very, very dark shade. And to remove it, we have to constantly remind ourselves that those feelings are there, the good ones. So today, you will start by doing a 5-minute jog. Seems like a lot, and if you're disabled and you're not able to jog, you need to find an activity that's suitable for you where your heart rate is increased. In other words, start jogging, start flailing your arms quickly, but not too quickly. Keep a steady pace. This will help your body develop a sense of physical activity. It will understand that every day you will be doing a physical activity and your mind will support it. So today, go for a quick jog. And when you return from your jog, I want you to sit down, relax, look around you. Because what you're about to do is going to possibly set off a lot of emotions. The next thing you'll need to do is to find that one emotion that set everything off. That one emotion that you've been sort of stashing away right behind the thought that led to it. For some of you, you're afraid to look at your bank accounts. For some of you, you're afraid to talk to certain people. And for most of us, we're afraid to look back in our past and find that thought that brings us to a point of critical failure. Find that thought. I want you to just listen to the thought. Don't associate an emotion with it yet, although it will trigger emotions. I guarantee it will. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to tell yourself that I can do this. I'm better than this. This is not who I am. I am defined by the person that I am now, not the person that I was then. Then I want you to tell yourself that it's going to be okay, because it will be okay. You're alive. You're walking, you're running, you're writing, you're reading. You need to understand what your true happiness is and apply it to every thought that comes in your mind that wants to take it away. It's like when you stub your toe and you start screaming and you get angry. Eventually, instead of screaming and getting angry, you're going to start laughing and hope that nobody saw it. I guarantee it. So for today, look at that deep thought that's been hurting you. Really look at it. Then go into your journal and write down positive ways of seeing it. For example, somebody abused me as a child. In my case, somebody sexually abused me as a child. The positive way of looking at this is, I am much better today. And I understand that this happened a long time ago and it wasn't my fault. There's nothing I could do to prevent it. There's nothing that I could do to take this feeling away. It's going to be there for the rest of my life. But guess what? I am a happy person now, and I have moved on. So thought, you speak to the thought here. So thought, I will listen to you when you want me to, but I will not trigger an emotion for you, because that's gone. It's over. Like these clouds, soon they will part ways and the sunlight will come through, and I guarantee it, you'll be a happier person for it. Day 9 is the tough day. Day 10, we'll be looking at constantly creating routines to avoid relapse. I hope you'll join me in day 10. I hope you've enjoyed this segment. I know it was difficult, but I'm proud of you. I'm very glad that you're taking this step. I'll talk to you soon. This is NatureBoy070. And if you do enjoy this program, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you can. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a healthy day, healthy body, healthy mind.